You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this brand name, the name of this coffee house chain, if you want to learn names of actual coffees that many get absolutely wrong. Stay tuned, you found the right channel. Starbucks, that's your American English pronunciation here. British English would be Starbucks. Starbucks. In American English, Starbucks. Starbucks. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Starbucks. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.